If you want to learn how to add an automatic subscriber link to your channel, I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. The reason why you want to do this is because you want to get more subscribers to your channel. But before we dive right in, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can bring you the latest tips and tricks on how you can grow your YouTube channel. Okay, let's go to my computer here. If you're logged onto your YouTube channel, click on your channel icon. And then click on your channel. Okay, let's take a look at the address bar. When you click on the address bar, you're gonna get a unique link for your channel URL. We're gonna add a small piece of code to the end of the URL. Don't ask me why, but it works. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is go straight to the address bar. After the URL, you wanna add this piece of code. It's question_confirmation equals 1. If you click on the link, you'll get this confirmation to subscribe. Now, go ahead and add it to your channel URL. Send it to a friend to test it and have them subscribe to your channel because that's what friends do. You can try logging out of your YouTube account and add yourself from a different account because of course you can't subscribe to yourself. I added the piece of code for you in the description below. Just copy and paste it to the end of your channel URL and go crazy. Add the link to each video in your channel description, share it on social media, add it to your email signature, your website, TikTok, Instagram. I guarantee you're gonna get more subscribers and you're welcome. Let me know how it works for you. If you found this information valuable, make sure to share this with somebody who needs this little hack.